I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block someone in the Roblox mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. While most people on Roblox are nice, there are some people on the platform you'd prefer to not deal with. Thankfully, when you run into those people, Roblox makes it easy to block them. When you block someone on Roblox, they can no longer send you friend requests, send you private messages, and Roblox generally prevents putting you in situations where you'll interact with that person. Now let's walk through the steps to block someone in the Roblox mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Launch the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen and then search for the specific user you want to block. You can search by someone's username or display name. Step 3. Tap the name of the Roblox user you want to block. Expanded information for this user will be shown on the lower part of your screen. Step 4. Tap the ellipses that are displayed in this section to bring up a menu. Step 5. Tap Block in this menu. You'll see a user blocked message briefly at the top of this screen. This person will be blocked from interacting with you on Roblox going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.